The best drone for hill walking is effective when navigating the mountains, gives you a new perspective on the surroundings and helps you try new paths. In this video we will look at some of the best drone for hill walking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 2 is a mini, light, and sweet drone. It also has DJI's state-of-the-art drone technology and can capture stunning 4K film and 12 MP photos. It can reach a top speed of 58 miles per hour and fly for up to 30 minutes. Because it is a tiny and portable robot, the DJI Mini 2 is the best drone for hill walking. It also includes a follow me feature that lets you relax and enjoy the surroundings while the drone handles the work. The DJI Mini 2 is the best drone for beginners because it has everything you need to get started. It has a powerful flight control system and a simple flight app. A 3-axis gimbal is also included. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo has the following advantages: easy to fly and ideal for both novice and experienced pilots. It is extremely light and portable, making it an excellent travel companion. High definition image and video. DJI Mini 2 is beginner friendly, powerful, and mini. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Explore an entirely new perspective, capturing the moments that make your life truly yours. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. The DJI Mavic Mini is also one of the best drones for mountaineering, like the DJI Mini 2. But with a smaller and more compact design. Its camera is a high-resolution 3-axis gimbal camera, making it simple to create breathtaking photographs and videos while on the go. Its minimum flight time is an impressive 28 minutes, and it has a good range of up to 4 kilometers. The DJI Mavic Mini is a drone created specifically for consumers who want a high-quality drone without spending a lot of money on it. DJI Mavic Mini is fun and provides a fantastic flying experience. Number 3. Holy Stone HS110G Drone. The Holy Stone HS110G is on our list. This is a fantastic drone, especially for the price. It has a smooth physical form and is lightweight, making it easy to transport. It's also incredibly easy to fly and provides a fantastic flying experience. It takes around 25 minutes to fly, which isn't bad at all. This drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera capable of taking high-quality photos and videos. It has a respectable range of roughly 100 meters, which is exceptional for the price. Overall, this is a fantastic drone that we highly suggest. Equipped with GPS location, the drone can memorize the home point and return automatically whenever the drone lose signal or lose power, or whenever you press down auto return button. You may set a custom flight path at your will or instruct the drone to follow you automatically. Detachable propeller makes the drone easy to carry. 2 modular batteries prolong flight time to 26 minutes. Control range is up to 984 feet. The HS110G drone with 1080p HD camera can record images and voice at the same time, and you may share them on the social media immediately through the app. Number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. The Mavic Air 2 is a high-performance drone that comes with premium features to take your aerial photography to the next level. Although this drone is at the high end of the spectrum, it is one of the easiest drones to use for newbies and one of the best for professional work. The Mavic Air 2 features a high-performance camera that delivers 48 MP photos and 4K/60 FPS video resolution and includes smart functions that make the photography and video sessions super easy to execute. The drone comes with a 3-axis gimbal to stabilize the camera while giving you a dynamic range of video shots. However, you will need to fix the Mavic Air to mount to use your GoPro, which you can buy separately. Other premium features include the impressive 34-minute flight time and the lithium-ion batteries that take only 55 minutes to charge. I also like that you can get HD live stream transmission with its onboard camera from an impressive distance of 6.2 miles. The drone also comes with an obstacle sensor, which helps to keep your drone from crashing onto obstacles in flight. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro Drone. Mini 3 Pro brings the wow factor to DJI's palm-sized drones. It marks the territory of professional content creators. Understandably, its price is a leap from Mini 2. The size of the sensor makes a true difference in quality. Pro has been upgraded with a 1.3 CMOS, stabilized from both ends. It enables 48MP photography. The camera also rotates at a 900 angle to support stills in both landscape and portrait. These verticals go on to adorn the feeds of your Instagram and TikTok followers. The single charge lasts for 34 minutes. You can buy an intelligent flight battery to expand it. In that case, the drone would weigh over 250 grams. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and UPAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time elapse, quick transfer, and more.